Live View mode enables you to select the location or site of live feed from your cameras. Drag and drop cameras from the list view pane to the main view window. Use Auto Assign to add cameras in the main view window. Review recorded video using search mode. Choose the date and time to review a video footage of your camera. The default timeline is 24 hours. This can be changed by clicking on Interval menu. You can change the time of the video quickly by using the colored bar at the timeline below the footage. Click on the time and drag it to the desired time. Choose a timeline where you would like to start reviewing a video clip and the video will play. Creating a backup in CMS Video Streaming. Type in the session name. Choose the media type you want to use for backup. Select the channels you would like to backup. Configure the backup start date, start time, and the backup duration in minutes and seconds. You can schedule a recurring backup by setting the frequency of the backup to daily, weekly, or monthly. Backup session will be added to the list. Wait until ready status changes to finished. Click on the download icon to download the MP4 file to your local drive. Securely share this clip within or outside of your organization. Click on the share icon. Configure the link expiry date for each user or to disable their ability to download the clip. Share the video link outside of the CMS mail client. Click Create Link.